As much as we would all love to hit pause on aging, it's one of those things we don't have a lot of control over. What we can do instead is work a few steps into our lifestyle that will not only prevent premature aging, but also slow it down. Beauty starts from the inside out, so eat plenty of antioxidant-rich foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens, and swap out your morning cup of joe for a vitamin C-rich orange juice. Staying hydrated is key to preventing wrinkles, but using a straw too often can wreak havoc on the delicate skin around your mouth because of the repetitive puckering action you tend to make while using one. UV rays are one of the biggest causes of premature aging. So apply a sunscreen of at least 30 SPF, even if you're not spending a lot of time outdoors, and your skin will thank you. Squinting might be the reason you're starting to see those dreaded crow's feet around your eyes. Just throw on some sunglasses to stay both fashionable and wrinkle-free whenever you're outdoors. Smoking is terrible for our bodies in more ways than one. The chemicals prematurely age our skin, and just like sipping through a straw, it can cause lines and wrinkles all around our mouth as well. Use anti-aging ingredients like honey, vitamin E oil, almond oil, yogurt, rose water, carrots, and lemons in your DIY face mask for the ultimate anti-wrinkle concoction. Our skin shows its first signs of aging by our mid-20s. So, even if you don't see them yet, start applying anti-aging products before bed by the age of 24 to stay baby-faced for longer. Keep an eye out for products that contain retinol, one of the only proven anti-aging ingredients. Make sure you apply it at night as it can react to sunlight, and unfortunately, if you have sensitive skin, it may be too harsh for you, so make sure to do a patch test first. Invest in a moisturizer that contains hyaluronic acid, which will keep your skin hydrated and fill in fine lines as well. Slather on a thick layer of moisturizer before sleeping, and never skip out on an eye cream for an extra layer of hydration. Remember to apply these skincare products in gentle upward motions so that your skin won't sag or stretch over time. As obvious as it sounds, getting your full 8 hours of sleep is a huge factor to slow aging. Amp up your beauty sleep by using silk pillowcases to prevent lines on your face in the long run. Stress can show on your face immediately, as repetitive facial expressions like frowning can cause deep lines. So make sure to take a deep breath, relax, and turn your frown upside down. Add these into your routine to get your youthful glow to stick around for longer and keep your skin at its healthiest. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.